If you have installed the game but don't know which settings are the best, this video is for you. In it, I will discuss the most important basic game settings, so don't forget to subscribe and watch the other videos related to settings on my channel. But before explaining the important settings, let me tell you about a bug in your HUD, where any of your buttons such as a tactical sprint or jump may disappear and become unusable. There is a simple solution. Go to control sets and duplicate your HUD layout, and you have a new HUD. Use it and enjoy. The first problem you encounter is separating the prone button from the crouch button, which you can do. First, go to the customization part of the HUD and press on the crouch button. Then choose the variant option and select split from there. The second method is to go to the interface section and the movement section and put the change stance option on split. The next option is auto mantle, which makes you automatically climb over an obstacle by moving forward and may kill you by accidentally jumping off the edge of buildings. The next option that you may look for is the option to tap to ADS or hip fire your shot button. If you play with 2 fingers, turn this option on, and if you play with 4 fingers up, turn this option off. Another option that is related to taking aim and you must look for it is aim down sight behavior, which you choose to keep it open by holding the scope button or to open and close it by tapping. The next 2 options are about the finisher, which some of you may not know. First, the finisher button is activated when you are behind the enemy and touch it at the right time, and the next option is auto melee. If you want not to kill your enemy and you can press it, turn this button off. If you pass by the side of the wall and your screen turns automatically, you should turn off the auto turn corner option. The following options are used to arrange your buttons. The first is the fixed joystick option, which you must turn off because if your finger touches anywhere other than the joysticks, the screen will rotate instead of moving. In the end, I will give you my settings, but it's useful for those who play with at least 4 fingers and some options are different. Don't forget to sub me and watch my tricks video.